G'day, how you all going? So this morning I am still camped at Fry's hut, so if you jump onto my previous video you'll see what I got up to here. It's just about to drizzle a little bit now, so I'll just quickly shoot through my camping setup for just a quick overnight getaway. I'll start from the top up here. I've got an awning, ARB awning here. I've also got two walls I can attach to this awning. On the back of the patrol there I've also got a rear awning. I haven't worried about it this morning, but or this overnight I can pull that out and drop another wall off the rear if I need extra shade or out of the rain or anything like that. But yeah, I haven't needed that this morning. Sleeping arrangements, I use a crash pad swag, so I've had that swag for I think around 3 years now. I've been sleeping in swags for just over 30 years. So I've got my first swag when I was 14. I've come a long way since then. It's nice and comfortable inside, but inside that I have an ARB sleeping bag and just my pillow. I run a polar fleece across the top of the mattress as well, just to keep that little bit of a chill off my back. Now I've got a Dachi stretcher underneath. That's a personal choice. I never thought I'd go to sleeping on top of a stretcher while camping. I don't think I'd go back unless I need some room or anything like that. Now sleeping on it, top of it's perfect, hopping in and out of the swag, even just rolling the swag up if it's damp or wet in the mornings. The swag's up off the ground, everything's nice and easy, nice and dry there. The only setback of having the stretcher is its weight. You're carrying an extra 10 kilos, so if we do have the whole family with us, I don't bring the stretcher anyway because I've got a double swag which I use as well, but just being myself I often use that. For cooking I have the Trangia. I'll give everyone a close-up on that shortly, but I use the Trangia Stove, and it's nice and easy, lightweight. It just comes in at over a kilo all up, and that's including the kettle, 2 saucepans, frying pan and the strainer. It's a nice compact little unit as well. It's very popular with hikers and stuff like that. But I also have a 3-burner stove and a gas bottle, but sometimes I bring that, but just to keep it nice and simple this weekend. In the back of the car I have my ARB fridge for keeping everything nice and cool in there, and on the back door I have my rubbish bag. I've got a comfy chair here. I have a couple of different camp chairs. This one's a bit more comfier than my others, but just being by myself it's quite a big chair, but I can manage to fit it in, no worries. I know I have to fit 3 other chairs in with me, but the other chairs all packed down nice and small, but this is quite a large steel framed, well, aluminium framed chair. The table here, I just sit that in the back. It slots in perfectly in next to the fridge. That was just pure fluke. You can see some of that of how I have the rear of the car set up in a previous video where I talk about the budget rear storage setup of the Patrol. It is a lightweight table. That table's travelled all around Australia. It hasn't let us down. It's simple, it's lightweight as well. That's pretty much it. So swag, shelter's taken care of, stretcher underneath, good sleeping bag is priority as well, being camping all year round, and the lightweight table. So yeah, nice and simple, nice and short. I'll